Welcome to this strategic guide on smart home wiring and setup. We will cover the core infrastructure necessary for a modern, reliable smart home. We begin with the foundations, understanding the essential infrastructure needed for a stable and reliable smart ecosystem. The infrastructure is built on three pillars: planning, hardwiring, and ecosystem. Planning involves mapping device locations and power. Hardwiring ensures constant power with neutral wires and low-voltage CAT6 runs. The ecosystem defines the communication protocol for interoperability. For smart switches, the neutral wire is mandatory. It completes the circuit, providing constant power so the switch's radio can stay connected when lights are off. Older homes may need no neutral switches or a wiring overhaul. Key connectivity standards include Wi-Fi for bandwidth-heavy devices and Zigbee/Z-Wave for low-power mesh networks. Matter, powered by Thread, is the new standard for seamless cross-brand compatibility. While wireless is convenient, CAT6 Ethernet cabling is the gold standard for high-performance smart homes. It offers PoE support, zero latency for hubs, and enhanced security, as hardwired connections cannot be jammed. The hub is the central processor. You can choose between cloud-dependent options, like Amazon Alexa or Apple Home, and local control hubs like Habitat. Local control is key for advanced automation and offline functionality. Device power distribution typically relies heavily on hardwired devices at 60%, followed by battery-powered devices at 30%, and power over Ethernet at 10%. The implementation roadmap moves from auditing wiring and selecting an ecosystem to installing the hub and main switches. Next is deploying sensors and security, and finally setting up advanced logic and automations. Local control offers 99% uptime. Cloud-dependent systems often fail during ISP outages. Implementing local processing through a proper hub setup achieves enterprise-grade stability. Estimated entry costs include about $150 for a smart hub, $50 per switch, $30 per sensor, and $80 for a wiring kit. Remember that professional installation costs are not included.